chaguchu lum ko kamal we ko kamal tel longa chagu jojel garamam mam tel gonga tel piu gel to chadak pa kon ramamane Bia Kamal ka Noor Online TV ka jan gwasame bana roiling roja bana ling roi shimichiro lat kam Professor Akesh kane Dr. Muntwil la Quer Unity State ke Governor bana roja danen shikana lat ke men chiro lat kam dien bana jaling ka jan gwasame bana jaguj bom men video danen shi gagamo cha toktin erol dan shura lat Kenya mungut kan konura ida gorje jinmi jiram jidide subscribe kan Noor Online TV ko bi rointin kono banong yen wala bien ka chwaling ni siang mete ka roj mbe shala do shura la mo choro lat re wichin wini rol kam kwar ri dangro Dr. Muntwil kan Professor Akech Quer University re wish ka juba ka kui pini ki nyoch ala nata moy re wish ka Unity State chala do chirwala mo charoda lat bana she chulinga gwanu arwala mo tuogo ka kuingu ka ki nguchiroda lado munongrwalo bana jelinkel chala do shi kwadang ro te kerol kam dien gwas mudol natin ka kui pini tin mai kanas ka Unity State chumgien mo na me enyoch me enyoch midang na nurun kwai la goro de pew de ka jaga jajel de mishal dredging de jela dredging o de pew de ka jaga jajel ko kan juach shikarodian kapin tel gwawo pewtin la pew la kana chwa mo shemenen yena monte mo ka turna me ka pew tu moina ena me chore lat kam dien kan kwaran kon tin to gwalok ke gwadul kana mo mandol kene dial ka do badana de pew de ka kapchonga je ke de tin kon lat ka rodian tin de na de ka tek de ka lalet ka gwas mo ber che togono ala nyoch naga na re wiki university naga na ko jen labe no ngobot ka jen bo jak goten kon tin tinatin yereka ke lana moye atela gwast go la jen no ngjot ngwana long en yer me chachu gwe chagu jo dong nime tar ko chinawra tino de name de lalet and dredging de lat ke de piu de ka yalaka ka do bijip chawe bijip kwak bo ngun de year de lep ko je ko de china chicken de la mwa gwa da na shipiu shi ko ngwan namo chwaje lokata nad meni me cha je pel dungno cha bu jo dor we jeglo nyoch we kam benejan namo chala do cha dredging ke de piu de ka yalaka cha je tok shaje togo togo no shadol chaye cholko ngumuwe she point Dr. Akech Professor Akech and Cape University charoi lat na chagalariet me beke che kwet Canadian content kwet ka Unity State she kwer nanan kwer Unity State mala governor ne Muntwil she loide che jek kawraja danan shalat Dr. Professor Akech and Cape University ka juba tik video motetin video danan she roja mo chore latin ko te dial shaga record ke shi media ne ka cap shi manana shalat wude shalke Professor Akech chala do media ko jana wacha na chol ji Unity State le namo chaje look Dr. Muntwil and go chana chaga de chol le shi akulu jogo muguji antama en le biaje linka jen video ndanen ci kan men chari ala ka ki men cha gwad dan dol natin men cha video re cha kanten gore jin bi linka loda bana wore kam nan ban linka jen gwasame ko gor kono de ler m de linka loda chan minuten bana chuling no ngum shore lad en gwasami bana shukel wanaten.
There was a project that created a lot of controversy and discussion and concern last year. And it was about dredging of River Nam, which was a process started in Wow and continued up to the Sud. People were concerned because there was no clear project, there was no environment assessment, it was not clear what Egypt wants from it. In one way they say it was fighting floods, in the other way it was said it is for transportation. The Minister of Transportation doesn't know about it. It was fighting floods. The Minister of Environment, which was not, it was actually under the Ministry of Water and Irrigation. A lot of equipment was brought in June, massive excavation for that. And there was And it was resolved that yes, dredging is not a new word. Sometimes you need to do it. But the intention of Egypt were not clear because it was also
we bukon mandan lero da bana je lingwasame gor je bana mandan chalat Dr. Minchuel bana je ling
that actually a natural dam. They actually prevent the water from flowing fast. And so during the dry season, people can move there. And you know very much, Governor Moifil know that this area is for all people, depend on it, not only Unity State. Governor Moifil also knows that the idea of water, River Nam, is just the key to this. But actually, let me finish. What is it for flood defense? Did we know what will be the consequences? Does the municipal government knows anything about it?
Well, thank you so much, Prof.
3 minutes, please.
3 minutes.
Yeah.
Right, okay, I will try to summarize my. First and foremost, the project matter. Unity State is among the beneficiaries of that project because our people have been dying for the last 4 years. We lost very dear lives. They lost their livestock, and their livelihood has totally changed. The population has turned into a vulnerable population or community on humanitarian assistance because of the flood. We all know dredging is a scientific word because we have been seeing a lot of very insulting comments on social media. And I thought one part of this country is suffering. The other part would also be much concerned. The life of the people of Unity State, Professor, it matters a lot. If clearance is going to save the life of our people, let it be. Why not? But what I know, what is happening is not dredging. And there is unnecessary sensitivity that we have been seeing. We all love this country. It's not the responsibility of one or two just to let thousands of people die because of their sorry. One of the media warlords has described us as people of Unity State that we are animals. Professor, as I stand before you now, am I animal?
Shikami shalingo shaja tijino gujine ke gujie ano ka gujine lalle.
Please.
Gujine lalle chane ling ko men chalat la jan gwadul kalen ngwanda torodien tino ko right now ki men chalat Dr. Professor Akejano Unity State ikale. Chajo kon shikanele. Gwazame la Professor Akech Jenny kana la read more.
Please let us respect our community and let us respect ourselves. It is you who have been doing all this nonsense on social media, Professor Akech. It is you. It is you. And we will do it. We will do it. We are
Roger Shalingo Sharo la tere wujen tongomi o chatek rola mo chatwok minyo no kan askaro kan karodian ling la take riedi shalat Professor Akesh ka social media no choleji Unity State ikayenle ana mo chaje loko kwer ni Dr. Minchuel eno gujiga anle tama kariedon kon lat ken ka mungu kona anyo gwada danan rajatin Professor Akech kariede chalat gwaza me jeni man lat ka Unity State kwai kaje anete kokien shit kaneden kon tin tepin kia tin te dredging tepin dian la dopko de joach kia piu de ka woch gwada dan tigatin kia joach de ka wo de don piu ko piu de kula jalgo den kijib man lat Professor Akech jeni ename miladiana mentama ariek ko kan ne de shwal ke jijiba kanas de guru ba te ka duor mi bi ke resource no kon ke kwa kon be ken kanang ana mo keriet ko ken ko ne nyoga latbo tin ku loch Dr. Joseph Muntwel ku le je be professor akejuti ketin kon ne chalat jena nongro ala no mo tilla de ken dia la jena ko la Dr. Muntwel no mede dredging no de joy de ka watch midar neka dereka ken ke de ke tek nyudo jo ba wewe no ba juaj ba ko ba dredging ba jalalet an mo che jalar ko ajeni men bu ken yam o bidnad bu ke tek ci ben resource ne ken yam tengnat ajen bu resource ne bu ko teno ke kwakten content de wech ka kula jak mi na tek bu resource ne bu ko tetene de men yam resource ne ten yam kana men na miteke me resource ne bo bika go jen la dan en la de jekaja duno ci professor akej ramdan la kwar university ka ki chancellor wi ke juba che lare hey na me chagwa jeno cha dredging cha de lat ke cha jwa cha ga de wo cha piu cha de wo ko ken piu to ken ke jwa to ten kwalo jen tamare pini kenen konen kur resource ke kwa ku kala rom shekare kete ko kien tetere jimi re yira and dredging charge de lat chi charge lat bo Dr. Muntwel no television man dini jen long etengnat anyok en re wi ka Sudan ne ideal kan genetic sha dredging ke ba piu ke joach midar kana sha ka wuch shade kana sha ka wuj ko chalar ramkel nero kene jog ne kon ga chuj a win medit shi ramkel anyok en United State ko benefit ka jen project mo mulat ka mo ko mu waje wuj binad bu ga jala lor bi piu bo bu ka rodien ngogba duno no mo shagak che jenon kam professor kana Dr. Muntwel la governor dung unity name ajen nandan en shore lat kam dien ko chetekarit te sha gwach te children lat kake menyudo shiriga mo che ngot kanane solve ke kanane la leren tema ka do badana chalat kejem name ajen le dandi yen linga jen gwaseme gore no jin mi jiram jidit ka jen gwaseme bi goro jin bi jen nyagane ko ken ko gor kono bleren kontin lat ko rodien bakalin ka lode shirala me to ka kam kwar dangraw professor kene doctor la professor akesh kene Dr. Muntwel rewish ke juba ke changdol ka mandol ka jew and dredging der wo wonyam ke de ja kapchong chiral ma choda lat kan dangraw tramo ke point ke tramo ka chong mlade ajen gwada dan oral we tokten en Dr. Muntwel lano nad liuke mina me dop ke lo de piu de ka moy ka dom wo ka de jwa tin pen piu jal de ka wo ja bana bu ga tek amugwa a professor ka ji shejen kana me dom mo bar so no kon ba na ga je Egypt kene de kon la je Egypt tin content ku kwa ku kan ga ngun na mo jan gwada dan wo ngang no mo we tokten kwal goro mendi ende gwa de liun nas ke de seven resource ne ke de gang resource ne na mo jen gwa dana to question ke de teten man gwa lung o de na de tegien de je kan che de gwa no de na de ke resource ne la je gane ke la lar ne ke tet che ke men agriculture la piet ke ne ber ka tet na me agenda na cho de la re wojen wini mi jiram jidit ke jen channel goro jin bi subscribe ke bi nyane ko ken ko bi aleren ko ken tin be ben bien ka kula link ke bi ka link ka do ba ande yen linga ja ke jen gwa same bi atta kamal bye bye
chagu chut lom ko kamal we ko kamal telonga chagu cho jal garamam mam tel gonga tel piu gel to chadak pa kon rama mane